Wow, look at this one singular piece of knitting. Just kidding, this is actually two pieces of knitting held together by the invisible mattress stitch, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So mattress stitch, when putting together two pieces of stockinette, is really cool. It creates an invisible seam along this join. So this is great for when you're putting sweaters together or joining a hat together. And normally you would have a tail end coming off your cast on or cast off edge. And in order to see better, I'm going to use this contrasting piece of yarn on a tapestry needle. So you just have to join the bottoms together. Just pick up that loop, and then you can pick up the loop on the other side next to it. And then what I would do at the end of this is I would weave that in. I'd have a longer tail as well. Now, what we do is we're going to identify the V shapes traveling along the edges. So we've got these right here, and over here we have more V's. They kind of look like they're pointing down right now. You see the point right there is towards me. So I'm going to go in to that point because underneath there is a little bar, and you want to pick up that bar, and that's what you want to take your yarn through. You don't have to tighten up a ton at this point. And then you go over here and you find the corresponding V. See, mine is a little bit wonky, these edge stitches. If you're not using an actual edge stitch, it can be a little janky looking, but there's mine. And so I'm going to pick up the bar underneath that one, pull through, and then over on the next one, I will find the next V and the point and go up through that bar. Over here, we have this V. We will pick that one up as well. And we just continue along. Obviously, these ones on the right are much easier to see than the ones on the left piece. Obviously, this one is not as easy to see. But just continue on. And then at some point, you can tighten it up. Tighten up that bottom piece too a little bit. And like I said, if you were using yellow yarn, you wouldn't see this at all. But do you see how nice that goes together? These two rows just sort of shore up. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos.